This is an unboxing video of a micro controller that I ordered. I ordered this microcontroller to learn a little about software development in the automotive domain, automotive area. In particular, I'm referring to the AutoSAR or adaptive AutoSAR, if that works. So I ordered this from DGK, and the exciting part here is that this brand, guys, is very hard to acquire, right? I mean, there are no stacks, and every piece of this is sold, no stacks. I have to wait for months just to have it restocked. On the other hand, the other vendors that have stack do not sell these chips to a person, but to some sort of trading partner, which I don't understand what's the meaning of a trading partner. Apparently I could not hit purchase because it requires a business registration and so on. So there's only one store, the DGK, that allowed me to purchase this S32K144, to purchase it as a hobbyist, not as a corporation. So I bought this for I think $111. The S32K144. Alright, it's empty here. It's supposed to be, there's a USB cable here, right? I don't know, but looks minimum. Anyway, I hope this board works, and I will publish my next video showing what I learned from this S32K144.